Welcome to all of you. Myself, Umiruman Mullah, and I am the student of B.Ed 4th semester from the College of Srimati Yashoda Devi Gangadhara Kulagude College of Education, Athani. And my presentation is under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Salve sir, and my subject is gender, school, and society. In that unit is gender and school, and my subunit is gender inequality in social field. Next one is content. Content contain introduction, definition of gender equality, definition of gender inequality, areas of discrimination against girl child. In that first one is feticide, second one female infanticide, third one selling of girl child, sexual children prostitution, sexual abuse of girl children, and negligence toward women's health and education. Lastly, the conclusion. First one is introduction. The concept of gender also includes the expectation held about the characteristics, aptitudes, and likely the behavior of both men and women. Gender rules and expectations are learned, but they cannot be changed over time, and they vary within and between the culture, but they cannot be learned. First one is gender equality. What it means? Gender equality is also known as sexual equality or equality of the sexes. It is the state of equal ease of access to resource and opportunities regardless of the gender, no matter what is the gender, male or female, but there is the balance between the male and female. Next, gender inequality. Gender inequality refers to the unequal treatment or perception of individual based on their genders. It stems from distinctions whether empirically grounded or socially constructed. Meaning of gender inequality. Gender inequality is the unequal treatment or perception of individual based on their gender. It arises from the difference in the society constructed gender rule. The figure shows that how the importance is given by men and given by the environment or our culture for the men and women. According to the Giddens, gender inequality refers to the differences in the status, power, and prestige enjoyed by the women and men in various contexts. And then, according to the Schiffer, gender inequality is the denial of opportunities and equal right to individuals and group based on their gender. Then, come to the areas of discrimination against girl child. First one is feticide, second one is female infanticide, third one is selling of girl children, fourth one is girl children prostitution, then sexual abuse of girl children, and negligence towards women's education and negligence towards women's health and etc. Then what is mean by the feticide? The term feticide means killing of a fetus in the mother's womb. This practice is mostly confined to female gender, and female feticide is the major topic of concern in today's society, especially in developing countries like India. The structure or the figure shows that how the girl child can be killed by the doctor so that the killing half of the world. What is actually female feticide defines? It defines the aborting a female fetus after the determination of this sex. Ultrasonography and fetoscopy helps to determine the abnormalities in the fetus, but it is misused to find out sex of the fetus, and abortion is done if it is a girl. Can you know that the National Girl Child Day is celebrated to the 24 January. Female feticide save the girl child. To stop the female feticide, this day is celebrated. Come to the social causes of female feticide. In that, money is the first one. Poverty, lack of proper education, future speculation like marriage, dowry, etc. Then mindset, this is one of the most important cause of female feticide. And then obsession for son, gender discrimination is also the causes of female feticide. Next, come to the female infanticide. What is meant by the female infanticide? The figure shows that if the newborn baby will be the child, then the girl child, then that can be murder or that can be death by the that can be died by the pupils. Selling of girl children or girl child trafficking. Child trafficking is a requirement, transfer and kidnapping. The child for the purpose of accepting money or benefits for obtaining the consent of the victim. This is the structure, or the figure shows how child trafficking takes place. Some reasons on child trafficking in India. First one is economic deprivation. Second one, lack of employment opportunities, low social status, low level of education and general awareness, socio-cultural norms, and political uprising means child soldiers, traditional religious and cultural practice. Next, girl child prostitution. The girl child prostitution is one in which children get paid for the sex. Child prostitution has been going on for years. A study has shown of about 75,000 children has been prostituted due to poverty. Children are often kidnapped by gangs or themselves sold by family members to even out of a debt. Many are also recruited by friends or relatives. And also, children as young as 5 years of age are being prostituted. Many children who are prostituted by brothers are raped by 8 to 15 men per night. Most of the children ages from 15 to 20 are subjected to sexual abuse and incest. Last point, most of the people paying for these services as a business. Foreigners, teenaged boys are. This is about the child prostitution. Next, come to the sexual abuse of girl children. Child sexual abuse is also called as molestation. Molestation is a form of a child abuse in which an adult or older adolescent uses a child for sex stimulation. The effect of sex abuse can include the depression, post-traumatic stress disorder. The fact about sexual abuse of children. Child sexual abuse is the exploitation of a child under the age of 16 for the sexual pleasure and gratification of an adult. Sexual abuse of children occurs within every neighborhood, class, and racial background. Boys and girls are both at risk from abuse. Next one, girl education. Across history, it has been seen that women have been neglected on all fronts. During earlier times, there was a distinct division between the public life and private life. Women were not allowed in the public sphere because they were not meant to take part in it. Then, lastly, come to the conclusion. The gender inequality plays a vital role in the society because the gender gap between illiteracy with men and women affected in rural areas with higher prevalence of child marriage and poor utilization of maternal health service. So this is all about my presentation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.